Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Be10x. A Merry Christmas to all of you, and hopefully, you all had a good Christmas and Santa was there in some form to deliver gifts. But while I say that, that wasn't the case with everyone involved this Christmas, especially the folks out there at Paytm, because we heard a bit of a sad news, a bummer to at least come out on Christmas as well, which is that Paytm is going to fire close to about 1,000 of their staff. Yep, 1,000 members just being fired out of Paytm. And what is the reason? How is it related to this whole AI revolution or whatever is going to come? We are going to discuss it right here. So, just before we jump into it, I'd have a small request because we are going to discuss this topic in length, and I think there is no better way to just go about it than to just present this right here. This is our AI tools and ChatGPT workshop, which is probably, as you're seeing now, it's probably the need of the hour now, right? With all of these firings and hiring freezes and stuff. I mean, you have to get the best out of the AI tools, the best AI tools available there. You have to get the best out of ChatGPT. You have to be in the top 1% of MS Office users, and you can get all of this, all the knowledge access in the world at just 9 rupees. All you need to do is you need to click the link down below and join our AI tools and chat GPT mastery workshop for just 9 rupees. You don't even get a packet of chips for 9 rupees, but you'd get this workshop. You can save your job. You can save 90% of your time. You can make yourself 10x more productive by just clicking the link down below and signing up for the workshop, as I said, for just 9 rupees. But now, if we come to what I was just talking about, right? So I'll just show you right here. Um, Hopefully this is visible to all of you guys. So this is the Times of India article, and I'm just gonna come here, right? Hopefully this is visible. So yeah, man, just take a look, man. Paytm fires over 1,000 employees across units, at least 10% on payroll hit, which is such a big percentage. Paytm has laid off over 1,000 employees in an effort to reduce costs and realign its businesses. The job cuts, impacting at least 10% of Paytm's workforce, come after the company's withdrawal from a small ticket customer lending and buy now, pay later segment, right? They had planned something, but that didn't work out. Hence, they had invested money there, put out money there, and normal people, normal office going people like you and me had to suffer. Normal employees like you and me had to suffer, and 10% have suffered in their payroll hit, and over 1,000 employees have been fired. 197 Communications, which is obviously the parent company of Paytm, has recently laid off. So I mean, what's going on, and what why is it happening? I'm just going to read out the facts here, but then I'm going to probably sort of my views about it, and like what's up with all of this and stuff. I'm just going to do that. So these layoffs mark one of the largest job cuts made by an Indian new age tech company. Startups in the new economy sector have felt significant pressure as funds have dried up for loss-making enterprises. In fact, data from blah 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 search new economic companies sacked over 28,000 employees in the first 3 quarters of this year. In 2022, 20,000 employees were laid off, and 4,080 in 2021. So that's about 50,000 people fired, guys. 50,000 people. So like that's half of 1 lakh. Half a lakh people have just been fired out of, and that's just in tech. And if people are still going to deny the presence of AI, the impact that AI is going to have on the future, it's just sickening. What people don't understand is AI is not here to threaten us. AI will create jobs. AI will also do good for the humanity. It'll reduce time, it'll reduce cost, reduce effort, reduce mind space and stuff. But you have to change with AI. That's why, right? That's why we here at Be10x keep saying that don't be a denier of AI, be an acceptor of AI. Don't compete against AI. Make AI your friend. Make AI work for you. Tame it, like a horse. Just tame it. Make it work for you. Don't just be scared of it. Don't just be passive about it. Don't think that, oh, it's not gonna touch my arena or my expertise or everything like that. It is coming, and it is coming faster than anyone can think. So it is probably the wisest decision that one could make would be upskilling themselves, and that's why we have this workshop from B10x. You just need to click the link down below and you can have access to it for just 9 rupees. That's why we've kept it at 9 rupees, guys, so that each and every one of you could have access to it. We would have done it for free, right? Because 9 rupees, we've just kept it because once you even pay a rupee, right, you have that sentiment, yes, you've paid and you would want to attend. But once you give it out for free, people don't usually care for it. And the invaluable lessons we teach out there are just something that you need to take care of. And the tools and everything we teach there are just that you need to learn if you want to keep growing at the pace that this AI industry and everything else is growing. So that is my appeal to all of you guys. Hopefully these layoffs don't happen this soon and people get the chance to you know sort of upgrade themselves. But the chance is always there, the time is always there. We just need to keep flowing as fast as we can. So yeah, with that, thank you so much to everyone who tuned in. Take care of yourselves, and I will speak to you guys in a bit. And a Merry Christmas yet again, guys. Take care.